So today is the day. Today is the first day of me hiking the Ridgeway. The Ridgeway is going to be 87 miles long. It's going to take me 4 days, possibly 5. Ever since I started this channel, the Ridgeway has been a goal of mine, so I'm really excited to give this one a shot. I've started down here in Wiltshire at Overton Hill, and I'm going to be finishing at Ivinghoe Beacon. As you can see, I'm super packed. I've got everything I could possibly need. So yeah, I'm not sure there's anything else I need to say other than I hope you enjoy the video. I think this is going to be a really epic one for me. You might notice that the quality is slightly lower than usual. That is because when we climbed Mont Blanc a few weeks ago, my camera did take a fall, and since then I've sent my camera off to repair, so this is going to be a GoPro film. So yeah, it's going to be a really fun experience. I'm really looking forward to it, and I guess I'll check in with you soon. One cool thing about this path is that it's actually known as one of the oldest roads in England. The Ridgeway has been used for over 5,000 years by various traders and farmers. It goes all the way back to the Bronze Age. Romans, Saxons and Vikings have all used this road as a trading route. The best part about this hike is it's so well signposted. You can figure out where you're going so easily. I don't even really need to look at my All Trails map, which is great. It's hilarious that this place is so underrated. I've always known about the Ridgeway, primarily just because my dad told me about it when I was a child. I think it is funny that so many of us just go completely unaware of, this awesome challenge that sits in basically my back garden. It's so beautiful out here. It's so rewarding and fun, and it's such a good workout as well. It's so low impact, so chilled out. You can just take a break whenever you want. You can, bring as much gear or bring as little gear as you want. You can just enjoy it and make whatever you want it to be. If you want to wear trail running shoes like me, you can. If you want to wear big boots, you can do that as well. It's such a good sport or pastime or hobby or whatever you want to call it. And I just hope that by making these films, hopefully I'm inspiring more people to come out and explore these areas. And that's not coming from a place of, I've been doing this for years. This is all new to me as well. And all I'm doing is just sharing my fascination and my discoveries of these beautiful areas. And I hope that this film and all of the films that I've made on this channel have, inspired more people to get outside and basically make use of the beautiful places and beautiful adventures that we actually have on our doorstep. It's beautiful, it's absolutely wonderful, and it's here for all of us to explore and to use. And I hope by making these films, I just inspire more people to use them. Here we go, day 2. Another cloudy day, unfortunately, but hopefully it will be good. Let's do it. It is day 2 on the Ridgeway. Today is another miserable day, unfortunately. It's not misty, but it is raining and it is wet. This is not a crazy hard hike. There's not tons of elevation gain or things like that, but it's long. It's I'm trying to do big days, trying to get it done in 4 when most people do it in 8. Yeah, I am enjoying it. I've got loads of podcasts, got loads of audiobooks going. It's great. I'm just about to get back to the path now. I think once I'm back on the path, I'll be enjoying it even more. One seriously cool thing about this trail is that, you know, it's an ancient road, so you have these kind of crazy ancient monuments around here. This is called the Wylands Smithy Barrow, and I believe it's a burial site. Absolutely no way I would come across this by myself in everyday life unless I was walking this exact trail. So look at this. It's definitely a little bit spooky around here. It's cool though, it's interesting. Cool to be amongst history and see something really, really unique. Yeah, just had two people walk past me. They gave me a very funny look. I'm sure I look quite disheveled, and I imagine it's strange coming across a bloke sat by the path. But yeah, I'm having a good day. It is tough today, I won't lie. My feet are killing me. It is Friday the 8th of October at 3:20 p.m. Today has not gone particularly well. 6 hours on trail with 13 miles down, and I literally need to do 13 more miles today. So this is gonna be a slog, and I'm just gonna have to push myself and just keep going, keep a steady pace and get this last bit done. I think I can do it in sort of 4-ish hours if I stay consistent. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time and attention. If you are enjoying the video so far, then do me a little favor, like the video down below. I would love for you to subscribe. We're a small but budding community, and we're on the race to 2,000 people. Whew. And to have you along for that journey with us would be absolutely amazing. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and let's continue on with the video. Three more hours and then we're there.
What I hope to find is only a projection, the end result of distance versus time.
I am feeling it, I really, really am. But that's okay. Just gotta keep going, keep my head up. Listen to a good audio book. Currently listening to the Backyard Adventurer by Bo Miles. He's a great filmmaker, great storyteller on YouTube. Very inspirational, and yeah, that's all you need. Good book and enough motivation and a few packs of sugar and you'll get there. I'm not gonna give up, just keep pressing on. Even though my feet are dying and my hips are aching, we will get there. I believe it. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is day 3 on the Ridgeway. Oh, I'm excited for today. We're more than halfway now. It's a good like training trail because you've got all these potentials to get food, to get water, to buy any supplies that you need along the way, because you pass through so many little villages and little towns. If you're like me and you're, you know, trying to get into this long distance hiking thing, then I think the Ridgeway is a good place to start. I've really enjoyed it so far. And I think today is going to be another awesome day. It is day 4 on the Ridgeway. It has been such a journey. It's been fun, it's been hard, it's been, yeah, quite the trip. I feel like I've got to know my area of the country so much better. I feel much more connected to the landscape, and I also feel like I've really accomplished something. 87 miles, it's not a joke, it's a long haul, and I'm proud of myself to have been able to do this, you know. Took a lot of energy out of me, mentally and physically, a lot of planning and a lot of preparation. So I'm glad that I'm on the home stretch. But you know, I say all this, we're not finished yet. Still got a little way to go. 20 miles is again, not a joke. Here is Ivanhoe Beacon, and that is the end of the Ridgeway. We are crossing the A41 now. Who knew I would get so excited about a bridge? Here we go. This is the final stretch now. I'm looking forward to capping it off at the top of Ivanhoe Beacon in a few minutes. What a journey it has been. My lord, I've walked basically 80 miles in that direction. Isn't that crazy? I've never done anything like that before. We are getting there, that's for sure. This is the last climb, this is the last hill, this is it. This is the end of the Ridgeway. "87 miles to be in this spot. Incredible, utterly incredible, so beautiful. I absolutely loved it. Now I've got to climb it down. And that is it. That was the top. That is the end of the Ridgeway, and that's the end of this adventure. What a trip it's been. Yeah, I feel more connected to the landscape. I feel like I know this part of England a lot better, and I've loved exploring it. And I hope you enjoyed watching it too. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 2,000, and hopefully with this video or the next we can get there. So join our budding community, because we would love to have you here. Anyways, I'm gonna get home. I need a shower, and I need some real food. So I will talk to you very soon.